Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can finance with no credit check and 0% APR. Yes, this is an amazing opportunity where using it, you can actually finance anything starting from an iPhone 12 Pro to a MacBook to a Pixel 5 or anything that you need to buy or you really want right now, but you don't have the cash in your pocket. With 0% APR, no credit check, and very easy installments. Yes, you have heard it right. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $42,000 loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. So now I know you guys are really eager to know, so without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here is the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So right here in front of you, here is an amazing opportunity. Not a lot of people know about this opportunity because you know what happens, that if your credit is bad or you don't have actually money to buy anything, or you don't want to use your credit card, or you don't want to take out any loan that will show on your credit, then this is an amazing opportunity in front of you. Yes, and you can get it, and you can actually pretty much buy anything you want with 0% APR and no credit check, and it's pretty much guaranteed approval, so keep that in mind. Yes, so what they are calling it, they are calling it lease to own. So I know there are a lot of misconception when it comes to lease to own, so let me tell you how it works. So please watch this video till the end in order to know each and everything about this awesome opportunity. So they say that you know what you need, shop at your favorite stores and enjoy convenient lease to own purchase options. It says right here, you can see no credit needed. Yes, no credit needed, so keep that in mind, right? So now let's see what are the steps you need to follow, and remember that I will take you on an application and I will show you my own account as an example, so you know that how you can do it and how you can apply, because I have used this service couple of times already and I'm really impressed with it, because I don't like to see things on my credit report. So yes, so the first thing you need to do, you need to apply for your lease. So once approved, you can go shopping at your favorite stores. So how it works, let me just tell you. So they say this is no credit check, so you don't need any credit. So we know there are 3-digit numbers doesn't tell you your story, and that's what I personally believe. And of course, so for this you don't need any credit at all. So they have an underwriting process that will allow you for the less than perfect credit, means the worst credit in the world. They use many other data points such as your banking history and your income. So usually they don't ask for any proof for your income and stuff, so so you can just be truthful right there. And when it comes to the banking history, in very few times they will ask you to attach your bank to their service. Like of course you can just attach your account right there, but remember it is not a requirement always, so you can bypass it. And because I didn't have to do it, so I'm just letting you know about it. The second thing, of course, they said that you using it and you can take your merchandise home, of course, or you can just schedule the delivery, because you can also use it online as well. It's not the cash that you're gonna get, but it's the financing. For example, if you want to buy an iPhone 12 or Samsung Galaxy S20 or something like that, or Note 20, so what you can do exactly, that you can actually use this and then you can buy it and then you can pay it with simple installments with 0 APR. So, and the other thing is that you can schedule your payments around your paydays, of course. So if your pay comes like every 5th of the month, so you can actually schedule the payments according to that, so you can just do it like 7th or 8th of every month. So they give you the flexibility to do that. But how it works and what are the things you need to know, so I'm going to tell you each and everything in detail now. So please do watch this video till the end, because this is an amazing opportunity for a lot of people I know who are struggling and who really wants to have the holiday gift for their loved ones or for themselves, but they cannot because they don't have the cash. So keep that in mind. So right here I'm going to show you my account. This is my account, and right here I'm going to show you how you can shop around, how you can do that. Of course, if you've been impacted by the pandemic, they help you. You can defer the payments and they don't report to the credit bureau. So the great thing about this one as well, that you can have it, and if you miss a payment or something, you can do it, but don't do that because they will put a penalty on it. So now let's see how you can use it and where you can shop. So for example, I use this to buy at Best Buy. I used it a couple of times and I love it. So the great thing about this as well, that you can actually put any zip code right here. For example, I'm gonna put Houston right here. So I'm gonna click on Houston, Texas, and it will show me what are the stores that I can do shopping with this Progressive Leasing. So right here, for example, it shows like Mattress Firm and Guitar Center and Cricket and Boost Mobile. So you can just actually purchase a lot of things, but I'm actually specifically looking for Best Buy. As you know, this is the holiday season, so a lot of people are actually willing to buy gifts for their loved ones or for themselves as well. So if you are going through a situation where you need the gift and you need to buy some stuff for your loved ones, so you can use this service. Remember, it's 0 APR. You won't have to pay a single penny if you pay back with certain time period. So I'm going to tell you each and everything in a bit. For example, let's just click right here on 100 Maryland Plaza right here, and it will show me that hey, I can go there and I can just buy it online as well, whatever I need. So I need to see how much is estimating leasing cost and how much do I have to pay. So I'm gonna click on it. For example, let's see that I want to buy an iPhone Pro, and let's see that iPhone Pro is $1,300, and I want to pay every week, every other week, or twice per month, or every month. I have the flexibility to do that. So let's click on every week and how much do I have to pay. So I'm going to click get my estimate. So as soon as I click on it, it's starting doing the calculation right here. So the cash price is $1,300 and lease to own is $1,496. Yes, it's around $196 more. Don't see this because you know you don't want that 12-month lease to own program. It's gonna put a lot of APR in it. But if you actually pay it in a certain time period, means 90 days, then you can get it with just a little amount of money, and that's not even APR, that's actually the fees that they actually put on top of it. For example, let's see, as you can see right here, that the cash price is actually $1,300. So if you want to pay it in full in 90 days, yes, you have to pay it in full in 90 days. Right here you see, right? So in 90 days, if you pay it, you're only going to pay in $1,496 on a $1,300 product. But if you are going to even like past one day, like 91 days, you actually pass the 90-day period and it's 91 day today, then you are stuck with this 12-month period where you have to pay $2,796. That is like way too much. So please keep that in mind. So you have to pay it in 90 days, and I believe 90 days is a very good period for a lot of people who wants to buy stuff because they need at least 2 to 3 months to pay it back. So you can do that, and of course you can actually do a lot of things with it. You can play with it, like how much you are going to buy it from. Remember, the reason that they're saying that you are going to pay $1,496 because they have a one-time fee of $79. Yes, it actually changes from state to state. In the state of Texas is $79. I heard like in Virginia is $81 or $85. I'm not so sure, but yes, they have an initial payment, so it's plus taxes. So when you do that, of course, so right here you can see that the beginning you are going to pay $79 and following by $52.25 every week. And if you do it for 12 months, I don't want you to do that. Just pay it back in 3 months, means in 90 days, and then you will be good to go. So please keep that in mind. Of course, the rental period, You don't want that. You are going to own this product. So they're calling it lease to own. I call it 90 days financing with easy installments, because you can do that. So it is an amazing opportunity. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment below. I will be happy to answer each and every questions of yours, because I know that you guys are actually going through a very hard period because of the pandemic as well. And on the Christmas and New Year, we always take care of our loved ones, and because of this pandemic, you know, a lot of people are struggling. So this is an awesome opportunity for a lot of people who wants to do things for their loved ones. So if you know someone, you can share this video with them as well. You know, it's gonna put the smile on their face and they can do that. Remember that you have to pay it under 90 days, otherwise it's going to be a lot of money that you're going to pay. So keep that in mind. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $42,000 loan with no credit check at all. And please like this video. You know, it really helps the channel, and at the same time it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.